morning. Today is the day we are going to celebrate our Asala full moon poya day. Okay, dear number friends, now if you like to observe 5 precepts, recite Namo Tassa Bhagavato 3 times, and before kindly and respectfully 3 times say sadhu.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Please repeat after me. Buddhang saranang gacchami. Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Dutiyampi sanghang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Tatiyampi buddhang saranang gacchami.
Okay, dear Dhamma friends, now we are going to respect our great teacher, Noble Buddha, Dhamma and Sangha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay, dear Dhamma friends, now time to practice loving kindness meditation, few minutes. Okay, now relax your body. Dear Dhamma friends, relax all the muscles on your face and relax all the muscles of your body. Now, dear Dhamma friends, now we are going to spread our loving kindness and compassionate thoughts to yourself. May I be healthy. May I be peaceful. May I be well, happy, healthy and peaceful. Sabbe buddha balappatta pacceka yang balang arahanta te jine rakkang bandhami sabbaso. Sabbe buddha balappatta pacceka yang balang arahanta te jine rakkang bandhami sabbaso. Sabbe buddha balappatta pacceka yang balang arahanta te jine rakkang bandhami sabbaso. Sabbe buddha balappatta pacceka yang balang arahanta te jine rakkang bandhami sabbaso.
Like this. Imam bhikkhang saparikharang usangassa dema. Imam bhikkhang saparikharang usangassa dema. Imam bhikkhang saparikharang bhikkhu sangassa dema.
Iccitang patthitang tuyang nipraneva samicchatu sabbe purentu citta
sankappa
chando vanna rasiyata yurarogya sampatti sagga sampatti
mevacha
ato nibbana sampatti minate samicchatu.
පටිසංඛායෝනිසෝ පින්ඩපාතං පටිසේවාමි නේවදවාය
නවදායන මණ්ඩනායන
නවිභූෂනාය යාවදේව ඉමස්ස කායස්ස ටිකියායාපනාය විහිංසූපරතියා බ්‍රහ්මචර්යානුග්ගහාය ඉති පුරාණං ච වේදනම්
පටියංකාමි
නවංච වේදනං උපාදෙස්සාමි යාත්‍රාච මේ භවිස් තදේනවජ්ජතාච පාසු විහාරෝ චාති.
තමයි හොඳයි ගාථා කියනවා.
ප්‍රත්‍යක්ෂව කරන්නේ. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now you can open down. So during that time you can have your lunch. Okay. Same time because we have only we have 20 minutes. By 10 past 12 we are going to start meditation.
And I wanted to, this month, expand on something I kind of opened the door to last month, which was Vipassana meditation, Vipassana as an idea. And I think I indicated last month that if you study this issue and read different people from Thailand and Burma and Sri Lanka and read some of the commentaries that come after the time of the Buddha and then read the Pali Suttas and everything, you'll find that there are differing ideas about this. For example, is Vipassana even something that can be deliberately practiced, or is it just insight when it naturally occurs during practice? So there are different viewpoints. I've looked into a lot of them over the years, and I'll give you my personal perspective. They all can be learned from, they all can be useful for you at different times. So I would be open to different methods and viewpoints, and always, to study the original teachings as much as you can, and to compare and to judge for yourself what's useful, what's accurate and true. One of the basic things that when people are talking about Buddhist meditation, one of the basic questions that these differing views come up on is there's a standard view that there are two different types of Buddhist meditation. Samatha meditation, which focuses on tranquility, and Vipassana meditation, which focuses on insight, and is probably the more advanced type. Then there's another point of view that says, well, actually, Samatha, tranquility, and Vipassana, insight, are just two mental qualities that go hand in hand.
Dear Dhamma friends, today I'm going to do a sermon, something related to Katina or Vassana, like that. Earlier I mentioned, today I hope to discuss about Katina ceremony, or what is rainy retreat or Vassana season. What is the significance of that? So first of all, I would like to introduce about the discussion of Katina. There is a history. Actually, there is a historical background to do that, because we are celebrating this. But first of all, I would like to explain the historical background of Katina or retreat, rainy retreat or rainy season. There were a group of monks. They wanted to meet Buddha. At that time, Buddha was in separate monastery. there is a big difference monastery and temple actually. When you refer the monastery, that is little bit different than temple. Monastery refers to maintain spiritual background or spiritual parts like that, meditation like that. But when it's come to term of temple, it is quite different. It performs some cultural and spiritual activities, both. They maintain cultural like Dhamma school and also some cultural other activities, celebrations like that. But here, Indianapolis Temple, both cultural and spiritual, both we conducted, we performed. However, monastery based on only spiritual. In our context, you know well Aranya. No, you have heard that Aranya Senasana. They performs only spiritual observations or activities. However, the Buddha was at monastery at that time. The group of monks, they wanted to meet the Buddha, and they started to their journey to come Buddha's place. While they were working, rainy date or Vasana period came. So therefore, they have to now observe precepts of Vasana. That is the rules of the Buddha. Wherever you are, doesn't matter. Even you are in a monastery or a temple or other places, doesn't matter. You have to observe precepts of Vasana. Under the tree or room, doesn't matter. Then time has come to observe precepts of Vasana. Then monks had to observe precepts of Vasana. They stayed how many months? 3 months at selected place. Then after completing 3 months, they decided to return to visit the Buddha. Then while they are traveling, what was happened? The rain came, and also one monk's there was a monk, his robe wet more than the other monks. So, however, they came in front of the Buddha. Having seen this incident, Buddha asked about the Vasana season and something regarding that. And at that time, Buddha introduced a specific robe or a special robe called Katina. Because at that time, monks have only 3 robes. Even nowadays also, monks can use only 3 robes, including Katina. But at that time, we didn't have a specific robe. We have only 3 robes. One is double line robes, Depada double line robes. And the second one is this kind of robe, one line robes. Another one is under robes, underneath. Monks have only 3 robes because we have simple life, more than the lay people. We have simple life, like birds. If I want to go to Sri Lanka, I can go now because I don't have any bondage. If I want to visit another country, I can, but you can't do that because you have many responsibilities. If I want to move another state or another place or another country, I can do suddenly. Because we are spending simple life.
ඊතරම් සියුමැලිද කළුගා හිතන්නටවත් බැරි නිසා මම ගියා අවුකන බුදුන්ට Des tumini sasoya Des tumini sasoya
වන්දාමි චේතියන කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සමාගමු සතන් සමාගමු හෝතු යාව නිබ්බාන ඉමිනා පුඤ්ඤ කම්මේන මාමේ බාල සතන් සමාගමු හෝතු යාව නිබ්බාන පත්තියා සාදු සාදු සාදු
මගර පස කියන්නේ ගරුතර මහා සංඝරත්නයන් අවසරයි
ගරුතර මහා සංඝරත්නයන් අවසරයි
මේ මොහොතේ සිට හෙට උදෑසන 5 වෙනතුරු අප සියලු දෙනාගේම නිරෝගී සම්පන්නිය පිණිසත් ධර්මානුමෝදය පිණිසත් මේ ස්වාසෝදාස ධර්මස්කන්ධය දෙක් කරන ලෙස ඉතාමත්ම ගෞරවයෙන් මා හැමදෙනා වෙනුවෙන්ම ඔබ වහන්සේලාට ආරාධනා කර සිටිනවා. මේක තමයි පූජා කරන්නේ. साधु शब्द पूजा
श्री बुद्धराज मगरं प्रिय बुद्धराजं श्री दंत सागर समं प्रिय धम्मराजं सकूल पबत सबं विय संघराजं श्री बुद्ध धम्म गुण संग शिरसा नमामि
So now you are like in a bubble, the protection bubble, which is called Paritta protection, the whole night chanting, blessing bubble. You are in that bubble. You are protected by every directions. Buddhang saranang gacchami Dhammang saranang gacchami Sanghang saranang gacchami. Those verses to invite him for the whole night chanting. Vipatti patibahaya Samba sampatti siddhiya Samba dukkha vinasaya Parittang brutha mangalang Vipatti patibahaya Samba sampatti siddhiya Samba bhaya vinasaya Parittang brutha mangalang Vipatti patibahaya Samba sampatti siddhiya Samba roga vinasaya Parittang brutha mangalang.
Sama Sandamang Muni Rajasa Sunanto Sangha Mokkadang Dhamma Savana Karo
සතං සමාගමෝතු යාව නිබ්බාන පත්තියා සාදු සාදු සාදු. Very good morning to everyone. Get the permission from the Mahasangha and dear meritorious friends in the Dhamma. On this fabulous morning, you all gathered to Indiana Buddhist Temple and you all are going to offer breakfast dana to the member of Mahasangha. As a monk, he need some special things to become a monk. First one is Chivara, second one is Pindapata, third one is Senasana, and fourth one Gilana Patya. Chivara means robe and Pindapata means alms giving. Senasana means he want to live as a monastery, and also Gilana Pratya medicine. So these are collections of to become a monk and who need, especially spending in the monastery life, he need these essential items. So Buddha mentioned, if you want to become a monk or the nun, he need these special items so he can become a monk. So on this morning, you are get ready to offer the wonderful white clothes to prepare as a robe. So before complete that robe as a Kathina Chivara, so we need to coloring that robe as a Kathina Chivara.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa.
Repeat after me. Imang katina dussang Bhikkhu sanghassa dema. Imang katina dussang Bhikkhu sanghassa dema. Imang katina dussang Bhikkhu sanghassa dema. Everyone say sadhu loudly. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Now we are going to dedicate this dana to the member of Mahasangha. Dana means like giving. Giving means the act of kindness.
Hi, Ryan.
කල්යාණ මිත්‍ර තු අටපිරිකර 8 requisites අටපිරිකර and also Hemachandra Pereira, Mr. Hemachandra Pereira, another one of Atripikara. Rebecca Rudd, 1 row. April Eplin Hardy, 1 row. And also our Mr. Bruce Allen Dharmadas Mahatma, 1 row. Dr. Carl Yulan Alvesen, 1 row. Desmi Chandrasena Rasanga Fernando, 1 row. Badrani Chelladore, 1 row. Manjula Padmasiri, 1 row. Sandali Vimansa, Noli Himansa, 1 row.
Now it's time to offer this prepared Katina robe to community of Mahasangha. By the power of this meritorious deed, you, your family, friends, and all the friends in Dhamma will be able to eradicate all the defilements, and finally they will be able to attain supreme bliss of Nibbana. Keeping that intention, you are going to offer these Katina robes to community of Mahasangha. To offer this Katina robe to community of Mahasangha, please everyone bring your palms together very close to your heart and then say sadhu 3 times. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Jana veva. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. While you are offering this Katina robe, you have already offered the 8 requirement Atapirikara and other robes to the community of Mahasangha. Now you all can offer this Katina robe to the members of Mahasangha. Then other
8 requirees, Gata Pirikara and other every kind of offerings you can offer to the community of Mahasangha. Thank you very much.
Dinnang idang atina jivarang Eka punyantang anuditva Chiram rakkantu loka sasanang Akasatta jabummatta deva naga Mahiddhika punyantang anumoditva Chiram rakkantu loka sasanang Akasatta jabummatta deva naga mahiddhika punyantang anumoditva chirang rakkantu loka sasanam.
It's the culmination of the rains reaping ceremony here at the Indiana Buddhist Temple. So last night we had all night Sutta chanting last night, and then we started sewing the Katima rope last night as well, and then today morning we dyed the rope, we offered it to the monks, and this marks the ending or the commencement of the rope offering ceremony. This moment that we're celebrating right now, it took us 3 months to get there, and if you think about the time that we invited all of our monks to reside in the temple, it took all of us, right? All of us took that responsibility of taking care of the monks during these 3 months. And all of you supported the monks by providing food and other necessities. And for every Katina, we do a special project in the temple. So this time it was the restrooms. Restrooms were a necessity as the temple was expanding. We didn't have enough facilities to accommodate such a large group of people. So this time we were able to achieve that goal thanks to all of you. And also during this rains retreat season, we had Dhamma discussions, meditations, chantings, Dhamma talks. And these are all very important because during the rains retreat season, our monks, they reside in the temple, they start working on their, increasing their spirituality, and this is also a great opportunity for us to work on our spirituality as well. So we did that this season. And when you think about the effort that took us to organize last night's all-night chanting and this ceremony today, right? It could not have been possible without all of you. When you think about supporting 20 plus monks and this many devotees joining, coming from other places to participate in this ceremony, it took a lot of effort, a lot of logistics, and of course building this special Pirit Mandapa, and also taking care of the temple, cleaning the temple, preparing the temple for a ceremony like that. Took a lot of effort. This was done by all of us. I want to recognize and celebrate this community of us. this is everyone who are here, and also there are a lot of people who are not here as well. Let's celebrate our commitment and our achievement in this Kadina season. And it's also important to recognize the diversity of our community as well, right? We come from different walks of life, we have different beliefs, we chose to live in different ways as well. But despite of all of that, we all came together in this Kadina season to make this Kadina ceremony successful. So for that, I am extremely thankful. The success of this ceremony is a testament for our shared beliefs as a community, and also our bond as a community here at the Indiana Buddhist Temple. Now, according to Buddhism, it says that when you do meritorious deeds together, right, there's a high likelihood of you achieving spiritual enhancement or the Nibbana together as well, right? So let's take this opportunity to hope that, right, with all the merit that we have received today, may be able to get to the Nibbana, may be able to enhance our spirituality together, helping each other as a community. And the beautiful thing about merit is, unlike material things, merit enhances the more you share. So let's share the merit that we collected today. We collected an immense amount of merit today by doing this robe offering ceremony. Let's share it with the rest of the world that we see and the world that we do not see as well, with the thoughts of loving kindness. So again, I would like to thank each and every one of you for making this Kadina ceremony a success. So this year, the Kadina ceremony is quite special because it was sponsored by 20 plus families. Usually, the way we do it is we have one main family that takes the main responsibility, but this year there were 20 plus families who supported the temple, who participated to make this Kadina ceremony successful. So I thank each and every one of you for your monetary donations, your time, your energy, and your well wishes to make this Kadina ceremony successful. And I also like to honorably acknowledge all of our monks and nuns for being here, for helping us to get such a high merit. When you think about it, right, we are so far away from our birthplaces. How lucky we are to do a Kadina ceremony like that, so far away from our home. This was only possible because of our monks and nuns. So I humbly, honorably thanks our monks and nuns for making it possible. Thank you.